Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. As for me, I am fine too. So, in my last class, before your exam began, we were doing food and chapter number 6, food and nutrition. So, let's have a recall first. What is new food? You all know, of course. When you feel hungry, you can't live without food. Means we cannot survive without food, right? So, but what are nutrients? In our food, there are some substances which provide us energy for survival and growth of our body. These substances are called nutrients. Okay, children? So, the process by which living beings obtain and utilize food for their growth and development is called nutrition. So I taught you last time about the food and about the nutrients. There are different categories of food which can be which are grouped. Okay, these categories are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and minerals. Besides these, food also contains roughage and water. Now I have explained you about carbohydrates. They are the nutrients which give us energy to work. Example, bread, rice, wheat, potato, sweets. Now, people like sports person and laborers do a lot of physical work and therefore require more carbohydrates. Fats. Fats are the nutrients which give us more energy than carbohydrates and keep our body warm. Example, oil, nuts, butter and meat are rich in fats. Okay, now proteins. What are proteins? Proteins are the nutrients which help us to grow. They are called bodybuilding food. Okay, example, fish, chicken, eggs, cheese, pulses, beans. They are rich in proteins. Okay, so vitamins and minerals. I have explained you about the vitamins, that they are the nutrients which help our body to fight disease, and minerals help in the formation of body components like bones, blood, and teeth. Okay, so this is all we have done in our previous class. Now let us start with the fresh topic. We are going to learn more about vitamins and sources, functions. Vitamins, their sources and their functions. So like egg, okay, dry fruits, and vegetables. Which vitamin is present in these and what are their functions? Okay, so let's study now. Vitamin A. Let us learn about vitamin A. Okay, source, like from where do you get vitamin A? Vitamin A are found in these vegetables and fruits. Okay, spinach, carrot, milk, butter, eggs, yellow fruits like orange and papaya. What is okay? So as I've told you, these are all the these are all the things which are having vitamin A in them. Spinach, carrot, milk, butter, eggs, yellow fruits like mango and papaya. इन सब चीजों में विटामिन ए होता है. Okay. Now what is the function? विटामिन ए खाने से क्या फंक्शन होता है, क्या मिलता है हमको? You know, vitamin A is necessary for our good eyesight and healthy skin. So you all should eat all these things. Okay. That's why we always tell you to eat healthy food. Don't eat junk food, because healthy food contains all these vitamins which are very important for our body. Okay, so vitamin A is necessary for good eyesight and healthy skin. Vitamin B, Sources: green leafy vegetables, soya beans, milk beans, peas. And what is the function of these things? ये खाने से हमको क्या मिलता है, क्या इंपॉर्टेंस मिलती है हमको, क्या फायदा पहुंचता है? Required, these are, vitamin B is required for healthy skin and proper function of nerves. Okay, so nervous system के लिए बहुत important है vitamin B. What are the sources for vitamin C? Now vitamin C is also as important as other vitamins. Vitamin C is present in orange, lemon, amla, tomato, green vegetables. And what is the function? Why it is needed? It is needed for proper functioning of blood vessels, for keeping gums healthy, and for hearing, healing wounds. ठीक है, healing wounds. अगर आपको कहीं कुछ चोट लग जाती है, जख्म हो जाता है, वुंड हो जाता है, so vitamin C is very important because it helps in healing. अच्छा करने में काम आता है. Okay, so vitamin C is needed for proper function of blood vessels, for keeping gums healthy, and for healing wounds. Now, vitamin D. Now, it also has its own importance. Sources: sunlight, milk, eggs, butter, fish, cod liver oil. And what are the functions of it? It is required for healthy teeth and bones. Vitamin D. Children, in today's span of time, vitamin D is getting like in our bodies there is a deficiency of vitamin D. When you start getting pains in your bones, in your knees, okay, so you go to the doctor. Doctor gets it and tell you that you are having you are having deficiency of vitamin D. Vitamin D की बहुत कमी हो गई है. Go and sit in the sun. They advise you. Okay. Sources. So we get vitamin D from sunlight. Okay. We get vitamin D from milk. See, milk is so important. All the vitamins are there in milk. Eggs, butter, fish, cod liver oil. What is the function? It is required for healthy teeth and bones. हमारी बॉडी में जो बोन्स हैं उनको स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए विटामिन डी होना बहुत जरूरी है. सो हमको वही खाना खाना चाहिए जिसमें ये वाला विटामिन प्रेजेंट हो. ओके ओके, सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट विटामिन्स. नाउ लेट अस लर्न समथिंग अबाउट मिनरल्स. नाउ मिनरल्स आर नीडेड बाय आवर बॉडी. ओके, इन स्मॉल अमाउंट्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत सारे एक साथ खा लिया हमने मिनरल्स, नहीं. Okay, they help in the formation of body components, bones, blood, and teeth. So what are the minerals? Calcium, phosphorus, iron, iodine. Okay, so fresh fruit, vegetables, milk, meat, fish, okay, are rich in vitamins and minerals, as I've explained you just now. So since vitamins and minerals help us to stay healthy and fit, they are also known as protective. Clear, children, about minerals? Now let's talk about roughage. What is roughage? Okay, roughage is the fiber present in the food. जो खाने हम खाते हैं उसमें जो फाइबर होता है, रेशा होता है, ठीक है, that is roughage. We get it mainly from fruits, vegetables, pulses, and whole grains, oatmeal, brown rice. Roughage helps in proper functioning of the digestive system by removing waste out of the body. Okay, क्या करता है roughage? It helps in proper functioning of digestive system. हमारा जो digestive system है, जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं वो properly digest हो जाए हमारी stomach में, उसमें वो roughage जो है वो बहुत help करता है. और कैसे help करता है? By removing waste out of the body. Waste क्या होता है? Stool and urine. Okay, so that is how roughage help us. And roughage, remember that roughage is also as important. Now you all know water. Doctors always say that drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water daily, right? It is so essential, so important. Water is very essential for the proper functioning of our body. Okay, we should drink 2 to 3 liters of water every day. ठीक है, समझ में आया आप लोगों को सबको? Okay, so water is as important. Now, let's discuss about the last topic of the chapter, which is very, very important. Okay, balanced diet. See, if you don't take a balanced diet, balance means a diet which contains proper amount of nutrients, which contains proper amount of vitamins and minerals, along with roughage and water. Okay, you won't be healthy if you don't take this. Okay, so different nutrients form different functions. As I've explained you, we should take a diet that contains all the nutrients in appropriate amounts. It should contain roughage and water as well. Okay, so children, a balanced diet for you is very important. You all are growing kids, right? So you should avoid eating junk food and you should eat proper balanced diet. Okay, see the food, what is, now you may ask me, what is diet? The food that we take on a regular basis forms our diet. ठीक है, जो खाना हम खाते हैं like in the morning, afternoon, dinner, okay, at night, that is our diet. So we need to take a balanced diet for our healthy growth and development of our body. Eating too much or eating too little of any nutrient can cause disease. अगर आप कोई भी न्यूट्रिएंट का थोड़ा सा हिस्सा खाएंगे या बहुत ज्यादा न्यूट्रिएंट्स खा लेंगे, दोनों कंडीशंस में आपकी तबीयत खराब हो सकती है. Okay, so please try to take proper amount of nutrients in your food. See what happens sometimes, most children, you know, they love to eat burgers, pizza, chocolates, but eating too much of these is not good for health. You know, they contain a lot of fat and carbohydrates which can make children gain extra weight and you can become fat. Avoid eating junk food and eat nutritious food to stay healthy. Okay, so eating a balanced diet is not only thing that can make you healthy, but you should exercise daily to stay fit and fine. Okay, so please remember to take a balanced diet. Okay, children, so that's all for today. Thank you so much.